So we got no good audio from this clip. This is probably what it sounded like. Too right. Slower, slower. Oh, f***. Oh, f***. Wait, I think we're okay. No, we're not.
We are all in position and flying finishes above speed.
Copy, thank you.
Net control sweep.
See, the consecutive hairpins have struck again.
This team of volunteers goes to events like this and does stuff like this, rescuing rally cars that don't make it to the end of the stage. We are Beastsweep.
Wow. That'd been quite the ride.
It was a slow-mo because he's just braking we couldn't make.
Right.
Yeah, you pulled out a few people already?
Oh yeah, this is a teamwork effort here.
It's just quite steep.
It is quite steep. It'll come out.
It's not jammed or anything. It'll roll out.
Mm-hmm.
I aim for the gap in the trees.
000 from net control. Go ahead. Can you wait to turn off at blocker 5 once you get by?
We have another customer, so I think I need to leave.
I only have room for one. Can you take one?
Well, I do think it'll come out. It's not horrible. I don't think I can stay with another car. But it's a two-person winch job.
I don't know if this is a now job.
I'm leaning towards not, because I think once we get into it, it's going to end up being half hour, 45 minutes.
But we have a service.
But we have a service, so that's why I've called net control to see if you and Ian could deal with it.
Okay.
Because you would have over an hour to do it.
Okay. How are you?
Yes.
No, we're good.
Sorry,
It was very slow off. We started braking and just started.
Okay. Your belts and everything stayed on?
Everything, yeah. No, it
Didn't
was.
hit your head?
Yeah.
Nobody lost consciousness?
No,
Very
nobody.
Anywhere?
We were almost. I thought we got teeter-totter on here, but we ended up momentum put us in. There's a bunch more trees. Really slowed us down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, and I know it's a very light car, so I do think.
Can I send you him and keep Nathan?
Yeah, let's do that.
One more foot.
See, the consecutive hairpins have struck again.
Okay, lock your winch in.
Locked in. Hold on. Locked. Oh, yeah.
It's our Black Diamond run, okay? We were ready for the Black Diamond run.
Yeah.
Send me a tree saver.
Yeah, we got stuff.
Okay, just a second. Need my winch controller.
I need mine too. Steering a little bit.
Push out.
Yeah, so you're should be good.
I'm right.
Yeah. I remember the one time you weren't. Hey!
Makes my day. Right, you make my day. I need a soft tackle. Whoa, stop! Stop! Go the other way? Yeah, I guess. Stop! Out again?
Hold on.
Sorry.
Sorry. Did it hook pinch up on you?
I think so.
Well, I'll put some weight on it.
How's the day been so far?
Great. 2 customers, no injuries. That's what we want. Got it around that wheel?
Yeah.
Nice.
Well, sort of. It's around the spoke.
We're gonna drag it up by the wheel?
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna drag it up by the. We're gonna hook the one side of the wheel. I think on that side, he's got it hooked to the actual tow hook for the vehicle. So I think we should be good. And then yeah, hopefully we can get some winch action out of this and get it up. Get some winch action out of this.
Okay. Can you, as Alex, can you get in my truck and just hold the brakes as hard as you can?
Okay. Let's go, Dave. I already moved it. Here you go, perfect. We did grab it. Nice.
I did.
I was holding it on the hill with its brakes. So
Yep.
I'm gonna make 10 more of these.
Now.
Yep. Oh, hopefully that helps. Ready?
Now.
Yep. Oh, hopefully that helps. Ready? Right over top.
What car is this?
Volkswagen. I don't know which one.
GTI?
It's something.
Looks like a rabbit.
GT over the hill.
GT off the road, down the bank.
Down the bank, yeah. Perfect. Exactly what I wanted that tree to do.
Ian.
It's not time yet. Is it time yet?
No, not yet.
No? Okay.
It's got to crest that
You
hill
wanna
first.
curse? You wanna curse it?
Yeah, I don't want to do nothing.
It looks like we're on a triangle of death, but we're not.
Yeah.
Hey! Too close.
Yeah. Just wait.
That's fine, it can drag under that wheel.
Yeah, we don't care about that. Just let it go. I'd rather you're not near the cable. Look at this thing light.
I'm gonna run a cable in 2 feet.
Hanging around the cable is not that. Okay, I'll anchor him if you want to back up, Dave. Let your winch out, then we'll back up, and then you can probably pull him from there.
Sorry, just because I'm way back there, can you explain real quick what's happening?
So right now we're on the precipice. This is usually the hardest part of getting the car up over the edge of the bank. Pulling it up the bank is usually not the issue. It's right here getting it over the edge. This is where you can find the most resistance because your point of like tension is low, so you're trying to kind of dragging the car into the bank rather than up. So that's kind of like that's why we didn't high five earlier because we weren't at this point yet. I think we'll actually get this no problem. Yeah, the breakover angle is usually the problem.
Thank you. Oops, right.
Making some videos.
Yeah. All the hype is usually about the race. Less so
much
about
more
this
interesting.
side. Oh, this is our area of expertise.
I'm glad you guys are here.
Me too. Glad to see your car nearly up on the road already.
Well, I think we'll be able to drive away.
I think so. Well, we'll see what the front end looks like, but it seemed pretty good. It was a
That's
pretty
why
bendy
we
tree.
stopped on the hill on the brakes.
Well, I mean, if that tree was as green and stretchy as, and you said it was a pretty slow descent too, right?
Yeah.
So it's
like we
probably
stopped
fine.
on the top and
Back up
then
real slow, just like a
roll down
regular
the hill.
5-speed.
Hold 1 second here.
Yeah, go ahead. Driving watch, it's all good. There you go.
I like your angle better, so maybe you do the windshield.
Yeah, right there, Alex. Put the brake on again.
What is going on at the... Okay, stop. Ian, let some pressure off. Okay, what way is that wheel facing?
Just a little bit, eh? Okay, Ian, winch. Okay, stop.
I think we're out.
Hey,
You're very close to Ian's truck.
Stop.
use that hook, Ian.
Just a little bit. Okay, hold it there, Alex. That's it.
Stop.
Easy.
Good? I think so. Thank you, sir. Good there? Jackal belongs to them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got something to hit it with?
Did you try hitting it with this?
Yep.
There you go.
Little kinetic encouragement.
Nope, you're good. We'll both back up here in a second. There we go. Watch that hatch, Dave. Whoa.
Gentlemen, very much.
Hey, no problem.
Appreciate that.
You betcha.
At least we didn't break anything. Hey, guys, sorry. Where are you? Where's the driver?
Right here.
Where's
Is
the
your
driver?
strap or ours?
That was our strap, I believe that.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're not continuing at this point. No, you can't continue because sweep is already passed.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what I want you to do is turn around and transit up to golf,
Okay.
reverse course, and then if you get to golf and sweep is there or has left recently, transit out to service,
Okay.
and then go talk to people about re-entry.
Okay.
Because you can't continue now that sweep is passed.
Okay.
We've essentially taken your time
Yep,
card
good to go.
at this point.
All right.
Okay?
Okay, sounds good. All right.
Should I explain that to him?
Go back in. So we're reverse back to service.
Yeah, but you need to stop and check at golf if there's time for you to get out.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Before you leave, I'm going to clear that with net, but that's my plan for now.
Okay. We won't leave until you can serve.
What car number are you again?
18.
Net control, medic 1.
Net control, medic 1, go ahead.
Car 18 is recovered and they want to continue under their own power. I've informed them that they're not finishing this stage. My suggestion to them and my request to you, can they go out reverse course to golf, check in there and see if there's time for them to reverse course out to service and talk about re-entry.
Yeah, copy. They can go down to golf and they can then they can then sweep from golf out to service and see what they can do from there.
Thank you. And does it seem like there's going to be time for that by the time they get to golf? They're moving in 3 minutes.
That stage is only just starting now, so they should have plenty of time to get there to tuck in behind you.
Okay, thank you. I'll inform them.
Thanks.
Successful recovery. Looks like the car is going to move under its own power, so excellent. It's going to be a good. It's going to be a good rally, I think. This road is quasi good. It's like grippy, and then when it's not, it's really not. So yeah, it's going to be a good rally.
This is Beastsweep.